Recovery isn't something that everybody wants to do, but it's something that you will need to do from time to time, and you need to be prepared. If we're winching, we've got the winch blanket, the winching snatch block, the winch extension strap, the snatch strap, and the tree trunk protector. Soft shackles are a great way to save weight, and they're a lot safer as well. And a recovery hitch for your rear receiver is pretty much a complete recovery kit that you'll need. And I dare say we're going to need a fair bit of this today. Thank you, Peter. No problem.